Namaste to one and all. This is Madhu from Bharati Devons Residential Public School, Tadepalligudem. Today, I would like to explain you about active voice and passive voice. Let us know how to transform an active voice sentences of present tense into passive voice. Before we know that, let us see the definition of active voice and passive voice. Active voice shows what is done by the subject, whereas passive voice shows what is done to the subject. Here, active voice shows what is done by the subject. Passive voice shows what is done to the subject. Here is a note. Let us see now. Only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. When there is an intransitive verb in a sentence, we cannot transform into passive voice. Intransitive verbs cannot be changed into passive voice because they do not have objects. Let us see example. They burnt the ship. Here the verb burnt is transitive verb. That is why we can transform this sentence into passive voice. Let us see this example. They came to college. Here the verb came is an intransitive verb. That is why we cannot transform this sentence into passive voice. If we want to transform an active voice into passive voice, we have to follow certain rules. Let us see what those are. Rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Step 1. Write the object in place of subject. If they have given me in place of object, when we are transforming into passive voice, we have to write I. For us, we. You. Them, they. Him, he. Her, she. It. In this way, we have to write object in place of subject. Step 2. Suitable B form is used. Let us see what B forms are there. Present B forms is, am, are. Continuous B form being. Perfect B form been. Past B forms was or were. Future B forms will be, shall be. We have to use these B forms as step 2. Let us see what is step 3. In step 3, past participle is used. Past participle is nothing but verb 3. Let us see example. Go, went, gone, going. In this we have to use gone because it is verb 3, past participle. Play, played, playing. So played is verb 3, that is why we have to use. As step 4, preposition by is used. After past participle, we have to use the preposition by. As step 5, write the subject in place of object. How like we have done in step 2, we have written B forms. In the same way, we have to use. Simple present tense is, am, are. Here, if they have given sentence in simple present tense, we have to use the B forms is, am, are. Let us see example. They burn the ship. They burn the ship. Here the sentence belongs to simple present tense. Here what is the object they have given? The ship is object. So that is why we have to write this object in place of subject in passive voice. So that is why we have written the ship as step 1 we have written. After that, B form is we have used as step 2. Other verb form V3 of burn is burnt. That is why we have used burnt as step 3. After that, by preposition by as step 4 we have used, and they becomes them. That is why we have used. Finally, the answer is the ship is burnt by them. Let us see example 2. We play cricket. This is also the sentence belongs to simple present tense. That is why we have taken object in place of subject as step 1. Then is B form we have used. Then play, verb 3 of play is played. So that is why played we have used in step 3. Then after past participle we have used by, preposition by as step 4, and we becomes us. That is why we have used. Finally, the answer is cricket is played by us. Then let us go for present continuous tense. Here we have to use is, am, are plus being. Is being, am being, or are being we have to use as B forms. So let us see the example. She is writing a letter. This is an active voice sentence. in present continuous tense. Let us see how to transform. Here a letter is they have given in object place, that is why we have taken in subject place a letter. Then suitable be form is being we have taken as step 2. Writing they have given V3 of write is written, that is why we have taken written. After that by preposition by we have used as fourth one. Then she becomes her. Finally the answer is a letter is being written by her. This is the passive voice. Example 2. They are attending the party. Here the party in objective place it is there, that is why we have taken in place of subject the party. Then be form is being we have taken as step 2. Then V3 of attend is attended, that is why we have taken as step 3. Then preposition by we have taken, then they becomes them. Finally the answer is the party is being attended by them. So the answer is the party is being attended by them. Let us see present perfect tense. If they have given sentence in present perfect tense, we have to use have been or has been to transform into passive voice. Example 1. He has played the guitar. Here the guitar in objective place, that is why we have taken in subjective place as step 1. Here the guitar singular, that is why we have taken has been as step 2. Then verb 3 of play is played, that is why we have written played. Then as step 4 by we have taken, so then finally he becomes him as step 5. So finally the answer is the guitar has been played by him. Example 2. We have watched a movie. Here the movie in place of object it is there, that is why we have taken in place of subject a movie as step 1. Has been be form as step 2. Watched verb 3, that is why we have taken as step 3. Then step 4 by, then we becomes us, that is why as step 5 we have taken. The answer is the movie has been watched by us. Then finally present perfect continuous tense. It is the last one in present tense. Example 1. For 2 years. When there is a sentence from present perfect continuous tense, we cannot transform into passive voice. That is why there is no passive voice for this sentence. So children, I hope you understand and you use this to complete your worksheet 3. Thank you.